Naranasan niyo na bang maubusan ng filament habang nagpiprint? It's one of the most annoying things in 3D printing. One day, I was printing a big project. Chinak ko yung spool, mukha namang kasha, pero halfway through, naubos. Failed ang print, sayang oras, sayang filament. Kaya inisipan namin ng solusyon ang problema na ito. Why don't we actually know how much filament is left? Hindi kasi siya natatrack ng printers. At ang tansya-tansya method is not super reliable. The filament spool has weight. The filament itself has weight. What if we could measure that? Kaya nag-start ako mag-experiment gamit ang load cells at simple microcontrollers. Ang idea, sukatin ang spool, isubtract ang empty spool weight, at i-estimate kung ilang grams pa ang filament na natitira. After working with load cells, microcontrollers, designing enclosures, fixing the code, nakagawa tayo ng SpoolSense, a real-time filament weighing system na nagbibigay ng accurate filament amount bago ka mag-print. Simple lang itong gamitin. Kapag wala ka pang record ng empty spool weights, gagawa muna tayo ng profile. I-place mo lang ang empty spool, tapos press the mid button, save profile, piliin ang profile 1, then piliin ang brand. Ang gamit namin ay ISAN, then save. After ma-save, pwede ka na mag-place ng filament spool and gamitin mo yung profile na yon at automatic nang masasubtract ang empty spool weight. Check mo lang ang reading, i-compare mo sa filament needed for your print, and you're good to go. Kung gumagamit ka ng iba't ibang filament brands, up to 5 profiles ang pwede mong isave dito. May isang important reminder lang sa paggamit nito, kailangan nating i-isolate ang pool pataas ng filament. Kapag nasa mataas na position ang extruder, may hila ito pataas sa filament, kaya gumagaan ang reading ng timbangan. Para masolusyonan ito, kailangan natin gumamit ng filament guide para ma-isolate natin ang hila pataas na nakakaapekto sa weight reading. While printing, medyo fluctuating ang readings dahil sa vibrations, extruder motion at filament tension. Pero ang pinakamahalaga naman ay pagkakatapos ng print, makukuha natin ang tamang sukat ng natitirang filament para malaman natin kung kasya pa ang filament sa next print. So that's how SpoolSense was born. From frustration, curiosity, and a lot of testing. What started as a simple idea to know how much filament is left turned into a practical, user-friendly solution for every 3D printing enthusiast.